everybody, welcome to my home. I'm gay, just so that you know. And let's go to my bathroom because we're having a tour of my day. Into that door. Here's my bathroom. There's a shower tub. Yes, a very nice bathroom too. Now let's go back in. Let's walk down the stairs. And here's my little kitchen dining room thing, yeah. Now let's walk into the room. Oh yeah, Hottie on TV. Hottie on TV. Here's my room. Awesome. To walk downstairs. Okay, here's my entrance place. Yes, I even have my little thing right there. You have to walk over here. Oh, here we are. So it's beautiful. There is where I keep all my CDs and stuff. Yep, that's my house, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye, sisters. Choo-choo-choo-choo.